One piece of my pine-treated deck is bent, with a bow in it. I'm afraid that it will eventually crack when someone will step on it, so I'm replacing it. I'm unscrewing the entire board and cut from it the problematic part. I make sure that the cut is not in the same place as the board above or below it, for an overall uniformed look. Now that I've cut the problematic part, I can secure back the non-problematic one in place. I measure and cut the new board's length per the existing structure, instead of taking the old one's measurements, since, as I mentioned before, the previous part is bent and not valid. Then I pre-drill, countersink, and fasten. On the edges I do the same thing but in an angle, since this board and the one next to it share the same joist. If you do it on your own, it's possible that the new board will have to be sanded to match the height of the existing deck. Time taken, less than an hour. Price for the materials, around $20. Price for tools and materials, around $800.